Fuzzcoproductions brings to your house Funny Dogs 1. Here's the hot dog dogs. Ketchup and mustard dogs. Mustard and ketchup dogs. Sizzling mustard and ketchup dogs.
Yummy.
Ketchup and mustard dogs. Mustard and ketchup dogs.
Yummy.
Mustard dog. A brown one too.
Yummy.
Next off, it's the funny dogs. That's a weird dog.
Boing.
He's looking for someone.
He's looking for you.
That's a weird dog with sunglasses. Big ones.
Look at his eyes.
I bet there's another dog there. Or maybe another cat. Don't tell me you forgot it in the map.
Uh-oh.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. You are the weakest link. Also check out the Nature Bros 19 for funny cats 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 5.